How to add a link to your Snapchat story. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add a link to your Snapchat story. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Snapchat application with your account. Alright, so after you open the application, you will got such interface. So now from here, you'll have to add that picture or video whom you want to add link on that. So simply from here, I'm taking this snap from here. Alright, so now after you added a picture or video on it, you'll have to just tap on this attachment option just at the right hand section of your screen. So simply tap on this link icon. Alright, so now from this section, you'll have to paste the URL of that resources. So simply from here, you'll have to paste that URL. Alright, so simply after that, you'll have to just tap on this go option. Alright, so as you can see, this is the YouTube video link. So now from here, you'll have to just tap on this attach to snap option just at the bottom. Alright, so as you can see, I have successfully added a link to my Snapchat story. In this way, you can also add it on yours. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.